Hello, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR21. In this video I'll show you how to access File Manager. In the beginning, let's go to App Drawer and search for Files app. Enter it, continue and allow. Thanks to Files app you've got access to your recent files, categories, collections and internal storage. Then you can use nearby share function to quickly send and receive files. Then you can use clean function to clean junk files from your smartphone, and in the end trash to remove and restore deleted files. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.